So today's video is going to be an unboxing video for my tiliqua gigas evanescens. That is a Merauke blue tongue skink. So I'm going to go ahead and open him or her up. Alright, so I do have my scissors here. I'm super excited. I've been wanting one of these guys for a while. I've been looking at my local exotic pet stores here in the area that I live in. They just didn't have the kind that I wanted. I also have been checking online. There are several different classified websites you guys can go to if you can't find blue tongue skinks in your area. So I just recommend you guys go on there, find a reputable breeder. Usually it's easier if they are captive bred and born, or at least captive bred. So that way they are a little more used to being handled. Okay. And the heat pack is still warm. Okay. Oops, let's see. Alrighty. Oh yeah, it's very warm in there. Okay, there we go. Oh, he's already not happy. So we're huffing and a puffing in there already. But that's okay. I'm not really going to mess with him too much. I'm going to go ahead and put him in his enclosure and let him get used to everything. But I will let you guys see. It's never a good idea to handle them very much anyway when you just get them. You like for them to kind of settle down in their new habitat and environment. So, yes, I know, boo-boo. Yeah. Oh. Where are you at? Oh, there you are. Here we go. Yeah. There's my pretty person. Yes, you are. I don't know if you guys can see down in here. Here we go. My little fella. So cute. Actually, I don't know what this is. They are too young to sex right now, but I got him because his coloration is a little bit different than normal Meraukes. So let me go ahead and get him in his new enclosure, and then I'll see if I can get a quick video of him while he's in there. Alright guys, so there you can see he or she is in. This is more like a quarantine bin. We're going to take him or her to the vet to get a fecal, make sure there's no parasites. But yeah, so I got a food and water dish here, hide, and this is cypress mulch. It's good at keeping humidity, and then there is a ceramic heat bulb up here. So yeah, let me see if I can get a picture of his face. There we go. So cute. Looks like a real dragon. Those little bitty legs like that, they're not climbers, so they're burrowers. They actually like to bury themselves in their substrate, and they don't climb. They're really slow when they move, so they're good for people who like to handle their pets. I'm going to do another video more in depth once this guy has been to the vet and has settled down in his new enclosure and everything, and formally introduce you guys to him. Alright, that's it for today. Until next time, see you then.